See how Gopi's been misusing this situation to go to the bar. Morning guys, it's a bright Wednesday. Oh, it's not bright actually. It's a gloomy Wednesday morning and I'm out with the girls, Ritika and where's Pooja? We're surprisingly in Cubbon Park today to do a quick 1 hour workout. For a change, we thought we'd do something outdoorsy in terms of workout. Pooja surprised me with waking up again. We found Gopi's fishing spot. You've never been to Cubbon Park ever in your life?
Pooji, welcome to
What kind of Bangalorean are you, dude?
On your left.
And Gopi's supposed to come as well.
Bangalore,
Oh, correct. That's not in Bangalore, that's almost Chennai. She's from BTM. And Gopi's supposed to come as well, but he isn't here.
Hey, I know there's a little aquarium here to the side. And they even serve rice and fish curry.
And you can
They'll
also
just
go
like
for a
pick up the
train
fish
ride
from the
around
tank and-
Cubbon Park.
Oh well, we
So,
should try to do.
Ritika, as usual, is telling us about the food. That you can get fish curry here. You can buy fish from the aquarium and make fish curry. And Ritika, what train?
She wants to go on a train ride.
We'll find the perfect
You know about this flower?
workout spot. No.
It sticks onto your shirt.
What do you mean? Oh shit, yeah. How? Like that?
When we were kids, we used to play with this.
Swear.
What?
I think so. You are DJ.
Okay, I will DJ and I will use the camera.
And
You guys work out. Okay, we found a spot, we left our stuff and we're gonna start with a short 400-meter run. Okay, so these guys also will run with us, but
Desde que te vi, buscaba una así. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí.
We're almost done with part 1 of the workout. Part 2 is 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 of double unders, quad rockers and V sit-ups. Okay. Cash out is, that's your finisher, is a 1k run. Already,
1K?
yeah,
No.
1 kilometer only.
Luckily I have to record everyone, so 40 minutes into the workout. Gopi hasn't come as yet. Finally, Gopi's come. As if he's made in time for a workout, he's dressed up like he's coming to work out. You know what the time is? What? 10:20.
Are you ready?
You're 1 hour 20 minutes late.
I'm here to support, bro.
I know this is a family channel, but you guys have to see this. I don't know if y'all can. Dude, this will now be PG 18 or something, right? R rated. Gopi smashed or what?
No, bro.
Don't lie.
I'll give you company soon.
Yeah. Run. Luckily it didn't start raining, but Pooja and I are here chilling by ourselves because the rest of the gang have gone for a 1 kilometer run. But we're going to work out again in the evening, so we're taking it easy right now. Actually, I took it very easy. I didn't work out that much because I was mainly recording everyone. If you guys are from Bangalore, I really recommend coming to Cubbon Park. It's really peaceful, really calm. The energy here is so nice because there's just people here working out, taking their dogs for a walk. We're gonna head out now. We got something in store for you. Here's Gopi back after the only workout he's done today. Tired or what, Gopi?
No, just start.
So you're going to do more after this?
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. Whatever you're going to do.
But we're done.
This is his warm up, no?
1 second, by the way, we're done, right?
We're done.
Pooja is saying bye to her hair. She's going to go for a haircut and cut it short. So this is the last time she can. No one comments, only dude on my thing. Ah, that I can. See how Gopi's been misusing this situation to go to the bar. Then where you been going?
We all go have one tequila shot, 0 calories. Oh yeah, we can do that.
Sure.
By the way, tequila and white rum.
Good protein, 0 fat.
So this is what we came to work out for. And then tequila. Guys, we just worked out in the morning.
We're talking about the weekend. How can you think
Or
of
we're talking
alcohol
about
right
now if we go to beer light.
Okay, either way.
We're celebrating our successful workout session with a cheat meal. Is it going to be a
Healthy.
cheat meal or healthy or what? I don't think I'm going to eat healthy, but.
Okay, I'll have healthy cheat meal.
And so Ritika's sister runs a place called.
No, she doesn't run it. She works.
Okay, she. So she runs
so-
it for them.
Yeah, her friend owns
Her friend owns it, but she runs a place called Fresh Pressery in Kormangla. Good morning, Aditi. I know you don't want to be on the vlog. What are these?
Acai, honey, lemon juice, vitamin C shots.
Shots.
shots, yeah.
Oh, y'all want to do shots anyway.
Wow, Pooja, what a great morning.
So y'all make this or what?
And it goes
Oh, tastes
They wanted shots, they got their shots. Thank you. Let's check out the breakfast menu. Okay, so meet Dikshit. What do you do here?
Service here.
Okay. Now I'll introduce you to Aditi. Aditi, come sit.
Sorry, put on the hot seat.
So when I first got this, I thought this was to make music, and I'm doing all Then I realized they sent me a sample for the smoothie bowl. So this is eco-friendly, made out of bamboo.
these are the bamboo.
So, firstly, meet Aditi. So Aditi is Ritika's sister. And Aditi takes care of this place for how long now?
5 years since inception.
This has been open for 5 years.
This opened in 2016.
Okay.
This Koromangla cafe.
And Ritika, can you keep quiet?
There's any fresh.
Yeah, so that's what I want to know. So Fresh Pressery is one brand, right? Okay.
Interview.
Okay.
This is our healthy brand with our cold pressed juices, salads, and detoxes. We've got
Okay.
2 cafes, one here and one in Lavelle Road at
Okay.
the Good Earth store and one in Bangalore Club. And then we realized during lockdown and people wanted some cheap meals as well.
Yeah.
So we launched Lavender,
Okay.
which is classic gourmet food and burgers.
Okay.
Everything is made in-house. Our burger patties, our buns, our desserts. Then we realized this lockdown that sourdough pizzas is the craze. So
Yeah.
we launched sourdough pizza,
Okay.
which is sourdough pizzas, and everything is in this Koromangla cafe. Plus we've got breakfast.
Okay.
And we even make in-house sourdough breads, Japanese milk bread loaves, French toast.
Oh, that sounds yum.
Yes.
But my dad used to do this juice diet, right?
5-day cleanse.
The 5-day cleanse. So they have a juice diet where you're only drinking juices.
7 bottles of juice.
7 a day.
Yes.
Yeah, 7 bottles of juices a day for 5 days. And it's supposed to be like a healthy weight loss thing or a detox thing or something like that. And that's under what brand?
Fresh press.
Okay, so that's under Fresh Pressery.
So your dad did it, I think he did 5 days once.
He's-
Then the second time he's like, listen, I need some chicken. And I need some chicken tikka. I can't do this salad thing. I said,
Yeah.
uncle, you can't do that if you're on a plane.
Just because now you're comfortable in front of the camera. Now you're comfortable, so now you're making her feel.
Actually, I'm still not.
You're making her
I'm
feel.
quite camera shy.
This is kombucha scale that we brew in-house.
Okay.
This is good for your digestion. It's a probiotic. So this is also made in-house at Fresh Press.
What is this?
Activated charcoal.
You drink it?
Yeah. You can put it on your face, a charcoal powder for a glow.
You can use it on your teeth also.
Maybe on your teeth. And this is to pull out all the diseases. Yeah.
I definitely.
Hopefully you guys are learning something.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was going to be so informative. I thought we were just coming to eat, but there's so much
This
to
is
learn.
fermented tea. It's like good bacteria for your stomach.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, Pooja, tell. Do you know why you should have kombucha?
Why? Because it enhances digestion, it detoxifies the gut.
It enhances your immune system, it reduces inflammation, and it promotes weight loss.
And most importantly,
It
boosts energy.
This is the secret of our energy.
She read all that off the bottle.
Hey!
You read it?
Yeah.
Oh, you knew it? Yeah, I don't mind the lamb burger.
I'm already getting a lamb.
Oh, then wait. I'll taste it from you. Oh, I don't want keto. I want the most non-healthy version.
Lavender is like
One. While the girls are ordering, let me show you around this place. It's a really nice, cute place. Small, quaint. This is the place. Got a really nice outdoor area, and this is the indoor area.
Section inside also.
It's ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll see that also later. Whenever.
I think 25 to 30 seater. So we want to encourage people to come for brunches,
Yeah.
you know, for a private dinner.
Non-alcoholic brunch.
Yeah.
Fine.
I mean, that's why we have all our cold-pressed juices. So people want to fit.
Oh, so like a healthy fitness brunch,
Yeah.
like what we thought this was going to be.
Yes.
But it's not. If you guys want to come here, you want to drop by, they've got two branches, like I said. They've got one here in Kormangla and they've got another one in Lavelle Road. And I've heard their food is to die for. So if you're a fitness freak, if you're into working out or anything athletic and you want to eat healthy, you can come here. But if you have friends who don't want to, like me, my friends are all healthy people, but someone like me who wants to tag along but not eat healthy, then this is probably one of the best places you can come to. See you joined us for our healthy/unhealthy brunch. Hi Kavya! What's up bro?
look at it. It's a keto lamb burger.
Okay.
The bread is made with almond flour.
Almond flour.
Salad on the side. And his lovely patty with cheese inside.
So it's high fat, lots of protein, and no carbs equals keto.
Thank you.
Yeah, no.
And then all the fat.
No carbs.
All the fat here.
Oh wow, that's yummy. Oh, and all the fat. So sweet of
And I got my lamb burger. I ordered the spicy lamb burger, the completely unhealthy version. I'm sure it's still a little bit healthy, but this is what I ordered. And there's what?
Mushroom and caramelized onions panini.
The half pizza, right? I also ordered pizza. So go ahead, look at the food. Ritika, what's yours?
Mine is chicken breast with grilled vegetables, salad, soba noodles with dressing.
Thank you. Oh, look at this one making money. Money.
By the way, happy Bakrid. Oh no, it's not Bakrid.
It is Bakrid.
Happy Bakrid.
Hello, it's Bakrid, but
Happy Bakrid.
yeah, happy Bakrid. Oh wait, Eid Mubarak. Someone sent me biryani.
This is a Japanese milk bread.
Japanese?
Milk bread.
Okay.
Shokupan toasty.
Okay.
My one is with chicken ham and fried chicken. What are you doing? I've been reading my one yesterday.
With all the accents, you are English.
My one is
And Anand is having the same lamb burger like me, right? The spicy lamb. And the spicy lamb is so good. And her, I'm waiting to see what she says about.
Oh, I love it.
Okay.
I was done a good description.
Ready?
I'm ready. Are you? That good or what?
Guys, you have to try this. Shopman?
Shokaban? How much, dude?
Yum, no?
Ritika finished what? Yeah. Oh.
Polished,
See
clean.
these people, dude.
Done.
And then now what next?
Now pizza. Now pizza. And then
Sago pizza.
and then
And then?
your library.
It's a party with me.
Good job. He finished it. Okay, the last prize. Yeah.
I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to my subscribers. Yeah, my five worthy subscribers who I really love.
4, 5.
Oh, 5 are here already. 5 more at least should be there. I'm a really small eater, but the food was so good that I had to finish my burger. And I have no place for anything else. They've ordered a pizza. I'm just going to show you what they eat. I really can't eat anymore. I'm done.
Crab, sardo pizza, and Turkish lamb pizza.
Oh, only 8. Then it's okay, dude. Order 2 and dessert. That's why they work out so much. We don't need to work out.
That's the point.
Because food is life.
No, dude. See, there's a reason why you work out this much, right? Because you eat this much.
No, but I had a very healthy meal. It was a fully balanced meal of
And your
carbs,
pizza now?
protein, and fat. That is my cheat meal for the week. Have you been messaging Raj Kundra?
Who's that? Shilpa Shetty's husband?
Shetty's husband who
Are you
got
involved with him?
Pornographic.
Producing
Pornographic.
I saw this on the news
Yeah.
actually. It's true or what?
Yeah.
What do you know about it?
Nothing.
Okay, so this is the shot that you had earlier.
Yeah.
This is a probiotic coconut yogurt, which is lactose, vegan, and keto friendly.
Okay.
Croissant bread pudding, which is a dessert. And these are breakfast jars, overnight oats and chia seed pudding. And these are in-house granola jars.
Okay.
Made in-house with granola, superfood, dark chocolate,
Wow.
great pre and post workout option as well.
The new.
It's not open officially yet,
Okay.
but it's still in the
Oh wow, this is so cool.
trying to make like a cookie bar salt as well, made in-house.
Wow, it looks like one of those painted ones.
Painted ones, yeah.
Yeah, it looks so fresh.
Just
Oh, done with your.
Shokupan.
Really, I want to do this beer library and all that. What? Yeah, please. Weekend we'll kill it.
So
Oh,
this
half.
Yeah, this is the sardo pizza. This
Okay.
is crab with caramel with onions, and this is the Turkish lamb with feta cheese.
This is the size of a regular pizza.
This is 3-layer milk cake with figs.
And this?
This is dark chocolate quinoa cake. Say what you're eating, what you don't like.
Quinoa, I hate
Yeah,
quinoa.
but. Can you get any quinoa taste? Nice. Dude,
Tastes like peda soaked in milk. That's why you like it like peda, no? Want another spoon?
No. Why? Why? What happened? You have rabies or what?
No, I don't have anything.
Racist.
I'm not a
Oh,
racist.
you don't want to share with me.
Please have, brother.
How's it, babe? 2 good, 3 good.
I've not had anything sweet in so long.
Oh yeah, she hasn't had anything sweet in really long. Rishad owns this amazing place that we've been feasting at. So he's really shy of the camera, but another 2 times you come here, he won't be. This is Rishad. Rishad, superb food, awesome,
This is
really
my
good.
best architecture.
Oh really?
Please show your face.
Cool. What is your blog called?
No, it's called Sunroof Stories.
Sunroof. I watch all your videos.
Really? Oh okay. So you watch yourself now. Amazing food, really. Thank you so much.
Bye.
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 Bye guys.
Thank you, man.
Oh.
they say come to Aditi, okay?
Hey, shut up.
our vlog today.
Please subscribe,
Like and share. Come to Fresh Brasserie, order food from Lavender, order pizzas from Sodo.
Yes, please, guys. Thank you so much for coming and hope you had a wonderful
We
time.
did.
We did.
Like and
Thank you,
subscribe on the
Aditi.
link below.
Oh, on the link below. And this is the last time you'll see Pooja with long hair.
Pooja's cutting her hair.
She wants to go
So that's
short.
gonna disappear.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys come by Fresh Brasserie, don't forget to try all their food and branding, free branding. Okay. If you guys do end up coming here, don't forget to tell us in the comments how you like the food, and also come say hi to Aditi and tell her you know us.
Yeah, you'll get a discount.
You get a discount as well. So much for today's workout. We're blowing it all. We've
We're not blowing it, we're having one beer each.
okay. We've come out for one beer each.
Plan.
That's a plan. One beer each. Look at all these criminals. One or two.
And we're sharing a beer. We are sharing.
Dude, you didn't drag me all the way here to share.
We're starting off with sharing. Sharing is
Then
caring.
maybe move to hard liquor.
The day's still young. It's
Don't work
only-
out, kids. Gives you too much energy. Don't work out.
only
Stay at
two.
home, sleep in. Don't go to Cubbon Park and all these places. Just directly go to the bar. Call Gopi. Go to the bar.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
So, we went to location number 3, which was Beer Library in Koramangala. We got done with that. We were supposed to leave and go home. Criminals at the back have dragged us guys to Bangalore Club now for another drink.